Hi, today I've heard of me INFINIX Note 12 Pro and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first let's open the phone application and then you should tap on the right upper corner to the settings icon. Then click here to advanced settings. Or just go back, click to harassment filter and tap to blacklist. You'll see here in blacklist the number, just the list of the blocked numbers, and just to remove them from here you should click on the spin icon. Then confirm your action by click to remove, and now we can see that this number unblocked successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.